Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing our 5th project pan update. If you don't know what a project pan is, it's basically me collecting a bunch of products that I would like to completely use up in the year of 2019. So I have a baby update for you guys today. May was not my best. It really wasn't, but we are making some progress. So I have items that measure out that I have made progress, and then I have some items here that look like I have made some progress. So I'll be sharing both with you today. Okay, so let's start with what's on top. This Urban Decay Vice palette. I think this was the 3rd one. I have hit pan on one of my main shades, so what I'm trying to do is use up these 3 pans right here and then put a dent in this one and use up this one right here. I do like this pink. Oh, also I would like to hit pan on this white. I use it for my inner corners and my brow bone all the time. A lot of these other colors just don't really suit me for an everyday look. I go to work every day and I'm not going to be like rocking a blue or bright green eye. But yeah, I do like this pink, so maybe we will work on hitting pan with that as well. But we started out with 20 grams of product in here and we are now at 15, which I'm very pleased with that. Okay, next we have my Aesthetica Cosmetics Contour Kit. So I am starting to make a lot of progress on the contour shade that suits me the most. This is like pretty much the only contour shade in here because these two are both super warm tone. I use those as bronzers. Both of those, the indentation is starting to go away, but in this middle shade, the contour color, it is completely gone and it's starting to dip a little bit. So with this, we started out with 40 grams of product and we are now at 35 grams. Alright, concealer. So my Lasting Perfection. I try and use this every day. It's a little harder when I'm at my most tan, when I have a fresh self tan on. But we started out with 0.5 ounces and we are at 0.3, so we are getting there. Next we have the e.l.f. lip liner in Natural, and we are a 1/3 of the way through this. I also have been really using the let me see, this Model Co liner, but it doesn't seem like I've made much progress. With lip liners, it's kind of, I would say it might be a little bit difficult because you're not really like relining your lips a lot like you are like re-glossing, lipsticking, whatever. So yeah, that's the lip liners. Okay, perfumes. I wanted to finish this one in May, but it hasn't happened. This is the Mayatoka perfume. I am down to here, so I am 2/3 of the way done. Just, it's taking forever and it's killing me. That's a theme for today's video because all of these products taking forever and it's killing me. And then we have the Ariana Grande perfume, which I haven't been showing this because you can't really see through the bottle, but I scratched off a good chunk on the bottom right here so I can see in, and I don't know if you can see this line right here, but I would say I am 2/3 the way done with this perfume. So that is progress right there. On to these. So these are powder products that I have been using every day that just have a massive dent in them, but when I weigh them and stuff like that, it's just not showing any progress. So first, the Hourglass powder. This is going to be the death of me. I took an up-close picture where you can kind of see the dent that I'm talking about, because on camera you can't see it because the lights blow it out because it's such a white powder. But like, this is going to last me forever, and I use this every single day that I wear makeup. I always use it to set my under eyes, and it's just, nothing's happening with it. Same with this bad boy. So I have seen progress with this in the past when weighing it. It has a really big dip in it. I will take a picture and insert it, but I'm just not seeing any difference with the weight for this month. But I use this as my highlighter every day. every day. It's what I'm wearing right now. So see what happens next update. And then my 2 mini Tarte blushes. These I've been using a lot more, and you can see that the imprints on them or the embossment has gone down completely. You can see like little remnants of it, but you can't see the outline of it like it was before. So I'm making progress on these. Okay, so now time for me to just go down my other little bits and bobs that I have here. So potted masks, I used up 1, so I started with 25 and now I'm at 23. Face cleansers, I started at 13, I'm at 9 right now. Lip balms, I started at 13, I'm at 11 right now. Hand soap, we started with 16, I'm at 14 right now. And then finally candles, we were at 36 and now I'm at 26. So I could be doing a lot better. I don't know why May just slipped away from me and I feel like I just didn't get anything done, but that's the update for today. I'm excited to see how June goes. I'm gonna try so hard to really get these numbers down for you guys, or even just for me. So stay tuned for the next one, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys.